Is the Kotak Confident Retirement Savings Plan the key to a stress-free retirement, or should you explore other options available in the market first? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a participating non-linked pension individual savings plan. Some of the key features of the policy are you can earn bonuses starting from the first policy year continuing through the entire policy term, and you can receive a guaranteed benefit either on death or at the time of vesting, and you can also access funds through partial withdrawals during financial emergencies, and you get to choose between limited premium payment term or paying throughout the policy duration. You also can enhance your coverage with optional rider benefits, and there are other benefits like vesting benefit which is given to the policy holder at the end of the policy term. So vesting benefit shall be higher of either basic sum assured plus accrued reversionary bonus if you had any, plus terminal bonus if any, or assured benefit which is 105% of the total premium paid till the date of death or vesting. So how the policy holder can utilize the vesting benefit is either he can utilize the entire proceeds of the policy to purchase an immediate or deferred annuity at the then prevailing annuity rate from this insurer like Kotak Life Insurance or any other insurer to the extent of the percentage stipulated by IRDAI, which is currently 50% of the entire proceeds, or the policy holder can commute to the extent 60% of the proceeds of the policy and utilize the balance amount to purchase immediate or deferred annuity from Kotak Life Insurance or from other insurance as per the percentage stipulated by IRDAI. So this is one benefit. Another benefit is death benefit, which unfortunately if the policy holder passes away during the policy term, then either the policy holder will get assured benefit plus accrued reversionary bonus plus terminal bonus as a policy holder, the death benefit to the policy holder's nominee. So how the nominee can utilize the death benefit is either he can withdraw the entire proceeds from this policy or utilize the entire proceeds of the policy or part thereof for purchasing an immediate annuity or deferred annuity at the then prevailing annuity rate. And we also have bonuses like reversionary bonus, interim bonus and terminal bonus. So if you want to know more about these aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now let's move on to understanding the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. So let's start with the advantages. This policy includes built-in health and well-being management service. You have the option to enhance your coverage with additional rider benefits, and after completing 3 policy years, you can make up to 3 partial withdrawals during the policy term, and there are loans of up to 50% of the surrender value available, offering financial support when needed. These are some of the advantages. The disadvantages are this policy offers only the vested benefit upon completion of the policy term, and the sum assured under the plan is also on the lower side. So the payouts are largely dependent on bonuses which can vary and are not guaranteed. So these are some drawbacks that you need to be mindful about before deciding to invest in this policy. So this policy is designed to promote disciplined retirement savings. However, it lacks a provision for periodic income payouts during the retirement period. So instead of receiving a lump sum maturity benefit, the accumulated corpus is used to generate a regular income post-retirement. So let's understand this with an example from the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure, for which we are going to conduct an IRR analysis now, which is the internal rate of return. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 40-year-old male invest 1 lakh annually in this plan. The premium paying term is 10 years and policy term extends to 20 years. With vesting occurring at age 60, the death benefit during the policy term is 10.50 lakhs. So he pays premiums for the first 10 years while the benefits including bonuses accumulate and vest at the end of 20 years. However, the vesting benefit at age 60 is not directly encashable like a typical maturity benefit. At the assumed return of 4% per annum, the vesting benefit is 15.92 lakhs, translating to an IRR of 3.02% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So this can be considered as the worst case scenario. At an assumed return of 8% per annum, which can be considered as the best case scenario for example purpose, the vesting benefit is 27.34 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 6.59% as per the policy's maturity calculator. Though these projections might seem attractive attractive. It is important to note that the vesting benefit is not immediately accessible. It must be used to purchase an annuity plan which is sold separately based on the prevailing annuity rates. So moreover, the plan restricts your flexibility because you cannot use the entire accumulated corpus for personal needs or invest it as per your preference. At vesting, only up to 60% of the corpus can be commuted, which can be withdrawn as a lump sum, and the rest must be used to buy an annuity. So the mandatory structure and limited flexibility makes this policy less suitable for investors seeking control over their retirement corpus. As this policy is designed solely for the accumulation phase of retirement planning, offering no control over the distribution phase, the final payouts through annuity are also non-guaranteed and there is no option to receive your entire benefit as a lump sum. So this restricts flexibility and access to your hard-earned savings. So let us explore a more efficient alternative strategy that can give you greater control over your retirement corpus and conduct a comparative analysis. So here in this strategy, we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately instead of coupling it up in this bundled type of insurance like Kotak Confident Retirement Savings Plan. So here we are going to use the same assumptions from the earlier example for a more fair comparison. So we can address life insurance needs separately by opting for a pure term insurance policy. So a term plan with a sum assured of 10.50 lakhs cost approximately just 11,200 rupees annually for a 20-year policy term with a 10-year premium payment term. This leaves us with 88,800 out of the 1 lakh annual budget to invest according to your risk appetite. So if you are a conservative investor, the Public Provident Fund (PPF) is a reliable option. 10-year policy term with a 10-year premium payment term. This leaves us with 88,800 out of the 1 lakh annual budget to invest according to your risk appetite. So if you are a conservative investor, the Public Provident Fund (PPF) is a reliable option. With consistent annual investments and minimum contributions in the final years, the PPF can yield a maturity value of 26.20 lakhs over 20 years, delivering an IRR of 6.31%. While this is slightly lower than the Kotak's plan 8% projection, the entire corpus remains fully accessible with no withdrawal restrictions. So if you are a growth-oriented investor, then you can offer equity-linked savings schemes like ELSS, which offer higher potential. An investment of 88,800 rupees annually in ELSS for 20 years can grow to 54.20 lakhs. Even after accounting for long-term capital gains tax, the post-tax corpus is around 48.69 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 10.46%, which is based on the post-tax return. And if you have any doubt regarding how the ELSS tax is calculated, we do have a small tabular column presented on the screen for your reference, so you can pause and see. So the substantial corpus is built through these alternative strategies can be reallocated across diversified assets in retirement to generate a stable, inflation-adjusted income stream. So flexibility in using your accumulated corpus is essential for smart retirement planning, and this is where the Kotak policy falls short. Unlike traditional retirement plans that locks you into an annuity, this approach puts you in control of both the accumulation and distribution phase, helping you make the most of your golden years. So now what is the final verdict on Kotak Confident Retirement Savings Plan? Is it worth investing or not? So this policy is positioned as a retirement solution, but it comes with significant limitations. While it does help you build a retirement corpus, you don't have full access to that corpus at maturity. And this policy permits only partial commutation up to 60% and mandates that the remaining amount or the full corpus, if you choose not to commute, can be used to purchase an annuity. Unfortunately, the plan lacks transparency regarding the annuity payouts, raising concerns about whether the income generated will be kept pace with rising living costs. Moreover, the final corpus is not guaranteed as it is tied to bonuses declared by the insurer. Additionally, the sum assured is also relatively low, which further diminishes the plan's effectiveness in securing a financially comfortable retirement, and it also has a high agent commission. So given these limitations, the Kotak Confident Retirement Savings Plan may not be the most suitable option for those seeking control, flexibility and inflation adjusted retirement income. So our recommendation is that a more effective approach would be to invest in flexible, goal-oriented strategies that allow you to accumulate a sizable retirement corpus on your own terms.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.